Hello friends, how are you? How are you, Baulal? Let us see. Yesterday, in previous lecture, we have seen the methods of preparation for the primary amine. First one was the Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. Second one was Hoffman reaction, and third one is amonolisis. Yes, in amonolisis, raw material is alkyl halide. Alkyl halide compounds are used as a raw material on reaction with alcoholic NaOH. Primary amine will form, which on further reaction with second molecule of alkyl halide will give secondary amine. With further reaction with third molecule of alkyl halide will give tertiary amine, and finally it will give quaternary ammonium salt. Now you see, what is the mechanism of this reaction? What happened during this reaction? It is very important. Yes, you see Rx and two molecules of ammonia. This is ammonia, this is one ammonia, this is second ammonia. One molecule of alkyl halide and two molecules of ammonia will react to each other. Yes, bond cleavage will take place, and this will be our byproduct. NH4Cl. Finally, R gives NH2, which on further reaction with second molecules of alkyl halide R-X. RNH2 will react with R-X. If this is RNH2, second molecule of alkyl halide, yes, hydrogen of amine and halogen atom of alkyl halide will gives HX as a byproduct. It will give secondary amine RNHR. Further, on reaction with third molecule, next molecule of alkyl halide, yes, secondary amine, one hydrogen of secondary amine and halogen of alkyl halide will combine to each other. With elimination of HX, it will give tertiary amine. Now, further reaction with one more alkyl halide, it will give quaternary ammonium salt. This is the general reaction. What happened during the reaction? First of all, you see, on reaction with alkyl halide with ammonia gives RNH2. In primary amine, nitrogen is bonded with two hydrogen atoms. One by one, hydrogen will replace by alkyl group. This is the general reaction. Suppose now we will try to match the illustrations with this general reaction. CH3Cl, this is a methyl chloride. C2H5Cl, this is ethyl chloride. This is chlorobenzene, a phenyl chloride. Yes, in methyl chloride, R is a methyl group. R is replaced by methyl. In case of ethyl chloride, R is replaced by ethyl. In phenyl chloride, R is phenyl group. During the first step, you see, R will remain as it is. Only halogen will be replaced by NH2 during, yes, with elimination of ammonium chloride. Similarly, in this illustration, CH3Cl will give CH3NH2. Cl की जगह halogen की जगह हमें Na2 लिखना है. Cl की जगह Na2, methyl amine, you can say methane amine. Ethyl chloride will give ethyl amine, ethane amine. Chlorobenzene will give aminobenzene, or you can say aniline also. These all are the illustration of primary amine. During second step, what happened in general reaction? In primary amine, two hydrogen atoms are attached with nitrogen atom. During this step, one hydrogen of primary amine will replace by secondary alkyl group. In CH3NH2, when react with methyl CoA, then this is alkyl group. Hydrogen of methyl amine and Cl of methyl CoA will eliminate as a HCl, and methyl group will directly attach to the NH group. It will give N-dimethylamine. In case of ethylamine, hydrogen of ethylamine and Cl, they will remove HCl as a byproduct. C2H5NH, one more C2H5 will attach with nitrogen atom. It will give, this is the diethylamine. Further reaction with methyl chloride, third methyl molecule will attach to nitrogen with elimination of HCl. Trimethylamine. Suppose further reaction with ethyl bromide, H and Br will remove the byproduct HBr. It will give triethylamine. Further reaction with methyl chloride. Yes, quaternary salt. Now you see, you replace all the methyl group by hydrogen. You will get NH4Cl. NH4Cl is ammonium chloride. This is one type of ammonium chloride. This is the derivative of ammonium chloride, in which all the hydrogen atoms are replaced by methyl group. That's why it is known as tetramethyl ammonium chloride. In this product, all the hydrogens are replaced by ethyl group, tetraethyl ammonium chloride. Now, any alkyl group can be introduced with nitrogen. Suppose chlorobenzene, on reaction with twice Na3 in presence of ethanol, it will give aniline. Now, on reaction with methyl iodide, hydrogen of NH2 group and I will combine, and HI will remove as a byproduct. Methyl group will attach to the nitrogen. It will give methyl aniline and methyl aniline. Further reaction with ethyl chloride, this hydrogen of secondary nitrogen and Cl of ethyl chloride will remove as a HCl will remove as a byproduct. It will give ethyl methyl aniline. Then further reaction with HCl will give quaternary ammonium salt. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the groups are different groups. Ethyl group has 2 methyl groups, 1 phenyl group. In alphabetically order, ethyl is to be mentioned first of all. Ethyl, dimethyl, phenyl, ammonium chloride. Yes, any group can be introduced by this reaction. General way, alkyl group of alkyl halide will replace hydrogen attached to the nitrogen in this method. Okay, thank you very much.